vlogs in one night gotta be insane. But yeah, I guess it is insane. Why you keep running out here? She knows she's supposed to be down here. Get your stuff. Alright. So y'all, I just came in the basement for a minute because I don't know if y'all seen this, but y'all seen my last video where we had went to the sports store or whatever, and Lonnie was hitting his bag. Well, we ended up buying it, and oh, this. So I said to myself, I just wanted to come down here and punch it, and I ain't got my gloves. My gloves is over there, so I ain't feel like putting no gloves on. I just wanted to come down here and sometimes I just come down here and just release some stress, man, because I be so stressed out and I don't be knowing what to do, so I just come down here and just punch this bag. And yeah, it's low because this is a small basement, so I really don't have anything to really latch this on. So that's why it's so freaking low, but I guess these could be like body shots. I can't even jump, because I might hit my head. Woo! Okay. All right, y'all. Look at these knuckles, look at that. Without the gloves on, I'll be bruising my hands up, so. But just know, I do got them hands for an old man, though. Girl, you cut the video off on me. I wasn't even done talking yet.
That was an accident.
But I want to fix this basement up, y'all. I can't even breathe, god dang it. Man, I gained too much weight, y'all. So, but as y'all see, man, we got the exercise bikes. We got the weights over here. Here go the gloves. And they need to be cleaned down here, man, because it's so dusty. Because we barely be down here. But, god dang it, man. Why am I so out of breath right now? Why am I so tired, Kaya? You think I'm fat? Yes, I am. So let's see, hold this. So, I'm just gonna run over here real quick to this dusty bike. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Ooh, what does that mean? I don't know what that is. But I gotta duck like this, y'all, cause see, I'm 6'9". So this basement is small to me, just cause, you know what I'm saying, cause I'm 6'9". But let's get the job done, y'all. You feel me? It's also good for relieving stress. And then you come over here, we got the little bag. So I ain't got the right thing right here though, but it's all good though. But I ain't gonna hold y'all up though. I am tired. So you finna do those dishes for your daddy or no? You don't know. So my youngest daughter, Leah, she's supposed to have the dishes tonight, and she ended up going over her cousin's new house. So she's not here. So everybody gotta wait for the dishes to be washed until she get home. Well, she'll be home tomorrow, but I'm trying to get Kaya, my sweet oldest daughter right here, to wash the dishes for us. And then when Leah come home, she'll have her day. You feel me? Because they all got their own certain days to do their chores, wash the dishes, mop, sweep. What else y'all be doing? Like clean the porch, the living room, the dining room. You know what I'm saying? So everybody got their own days. So today is Leah day to wash the dishes. But I did wash my clothes though. because we supposed to be going to church tomorrow. So yeah, this is just a little late night vlog. See this trash right here? No, that don't supposed to be there. I don't know where the broom is. We ain't got no push broom down here.
No.
Oh crap! I'll come back and get that because that's nasty. What I did. I want my clothes is dry. Heck yeah. Alright. Cool. Bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I gotta get back used to doing this vlogging stuff, man, because I haven't vlogged in a minute. Like, I ain't gonna say in a minute, but we don't vlog like we do in our like we did in our last channel before we got demonetized. But if y'all go back and look at our old channel, y'all see we used to be vlogging like every day, bro. Because we had like close to 6K followers over here. And this is a new channel, so it's like we trying to get used to everything again. So yeah. So if we don't vlog every day, man, it's not because we don't want to vlog. It's just the point is we've been vlogging for so long. It's like sometimes you just forget to vlog, and sometimes you just forget and don't know what to vlog. You know. But I just want to let y'all know something, man. I noticed that I really don't get a lot of views like I used to, but you know, because mostly all my followers and stuff is coming from TikTok. We do TikTok as well, y'all. But I just want to let y'all know, man. We've been in this house for 11 years. You feel me? And this house is kind of, I don't say kind of, but it's freaking falling apart, bro. And we've been trying to get help for this house for years. You know, we just recently, well, probably about 3 or 4 months ago, got the roof done because it was raining in the kitchen. You know, so we found the program to actually help us to fix the roof to stop it from raining on the inside. You know, I actually showed y'all videos. If y'all go back to my videos, you will see a big hole in the ceiling, and you'll also see the people repairing the roof. My family is freaking, we've been here, did I say 11 years? We've been here for over 14 years. Between 14 and a little bit over 14, something like that. But I know my daughter Leah, which is 14 right now, she was in diapers when we first moved here. And I just think, bro, that it's just time to move. I know it's time to move. We need something bigger. My son is 18 now. And we outgrowing this freaking house, bro. We are outgrowing this house. So I need y'all, bro, to watch these videos, man. Watch these videos. Subscribe to this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We got some bangers coming, man. I'm gonna get back into it. I'm gonna get back into the groove of things, like how we used to do it. I know we got a little bit older, but we still got energy. You feel me? So, man, I'm gonna just say this: if you feel like giving up, don't give up. You may not have the views you want, you may not have the subscribers you want, but don't quit. Don't quit YouTube because you're not hitting thousands of views and hundreds of views. Look at my channel. I'm only hitting 7, 8 views right now because I'm getting back into the groove and stuff. But you got this, man. Don't quit. You feel me? So until next time, man. I just told myself, I was like, man, let me go ahead and put another vlog out because I need to get back in the habit of vlogging. You know, so I'll just see y'all in the next vlog, man. I know this ain't no banger, but I'm finna get back in the habit of vlogging like I used to. Y'all be breezy.